Delta 1551 can approach after Thunder, cleared out 23, 4 left approach. Delta 1551, maintain 210 knots, you're good. Delta 1551, maintain 190 knots, you're good.
What have your radar, Delta 1551?
Delta 1551, maintain at least 170 knots till a 5-mile final, contact Seattle Tower 120.95.
Okay, 170 to a 5-mile final, tower now, good night, Delta 1551. Tower Delta 1551, 9-mile final, visual, number 2
Delta 1551, Seattle Tower 10106, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 34 left, Delta 1551.
Seattle, where the local time is 11:15 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, carry an item stood until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight.
Tango,
And please ensure that you
November,
have all of your personal belongings before you make this flight. Once again, we sincerely apologize about the delay and any inconvenience it may have caused. If you have missed your connection, our Delta teams will automatically rebook you on your next available flight. You can download the Flight Delta app to access view and make changes to your itinerary on any mobile device. You can receive flight status updates, boarding notifications, and check bag information. If you did check a bag or gate check a bag with a white tag and Seattle is your final destination, you can reclaim that here in Seattle at Carousel 5. Once again, all white tagged items can be reclaimed at Carousel 5 here in Seattle. If you have a pink tag item such as a car seat, stroller, or wheelchair, we do ask that you please claim that on the jet bridge on your way off the aircraft. Please do not leave the jet bridge without those claims.
Delta 1551 at November, crossing runway 34 center, hold short runway 34 right.
Delta, the Seattle
Cross 34 center at November, hold short 34 right.
and our Sky Team partners. Thank you for choosing Delta tonight. Once again, we sincerely apologize about the delay.